packing with dark knuckles that refused to match the rest of your skin. No matter what you use, this is one of those products that you need to pay attention to. Before you scroll, let me show you something that I know works. This focus. Because if your knuckles, knees, and elbow are darker than the rest of your skin, and you have used not everything and nothing works, then you need something that is going to target those areas, not just any random product. Hi there, my name is Kemi, and on this channel, I focus on skincare that actually works, especially for hyperpigmentation and uneven skin tone. So if that is something that you are looking for, then you have come to the right place. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and also leave a comment. Let's get into it. So today we're talking about these amazing products. The Lumine Lightening Dark Knuckle Cream Gel. This is good. This one is made in the Philippines, and if you know Philippine products are top notch, this is made for MGC Cosmetics, so their brand is always giving nice. So they don't joke about results. Their products are known to deliver. Every of their products that I've reviewed have always been a banger. Now, before I even start to break this down, I need to explain something to you very quick. A lot of people keep asking me why their knuckles, knees, and elbows stay dark, even when the rest of their skin is improving. They have used everything. They're moisturizing. They're doing all the right thing. The reason is very, very simple. Those areas are thicker. They are drier, and they hold on to pigmentation longer than the other parts of the body. So your normal body lotion will moisturize, yes, but it will not really treat the problem. So that is why you need something like this targeted treatment made for those areas exactly. Now let me show you properly. I have removed the lotion from the bottle. This is what it looks like from the bottle, sorry. And I'm going to apply a little bit. So when you open it, it has a cap that you can open, and then I'm going to remove this, which is good for extra protection. But once you are ready to use it, you don't need it anymore. You only need this black one, and then you can press it out. This is how it comes. I'm going to put a little bit on my hand so that you guys can see. See? And you can see the texture. It is like a cream gel. It is not too thick. I put too much. Not too watery. It spread easily and absorbs fast. It's not greasy. You are not going to feel uncomfortable using this. Sorry, I put that too much. And the smell is actually nice. Not harsh. It does not irritate. It's not like those irritating smells. Now, let's talk about what this product actually does. This is not just about lightening for the sake of lightening. This product is designed to reduce hyperpigmentation on stubborn areas like your knuckles, your knees, your elbow, even on your neck. I've seen customers that came to tell me that it works on their dark neck. So for those areas that look darker than the rest of your skin, it will gradually fade them out and even them out. It will help to brighten those areas so they will start to blend properly with the rest of your skin. And I'm sure that is what you want, because the real problem is not just about the darkness that it gives you. It is because it looks uneven. So this is going to help you to moisturize, nourish the skin, and it is very, very important because dry skin makes those areas look even more darker and more rougher. So while it is working on the pigmentation, it is also softening the skin. Oh, it feels so soft on the hand. And over a period of time, it gives you that healthy, radiant, not dull, not rough, but a smooth and glowing finish. You can see how my hands are looking well moisturized. Now let's break this down. Let's look into the ingredients, what makes it effective, so that you can understand how it works better. This contains kojic acid. This is one of the key ingredients when it comes to reducing hyperpigmentation. It works by gradually breaking down excess pigment on the skin. Like kojic acid is one of the favorite when it comes to dark spots. If your knuckles and knees are darker than the rest of your body, this is what the targeted product should keep. That's the kind of ingredient that should be inside the targeted product that can work to lighten those dark areas. Then you have niacinamide. This helps to brighten the skin and even out your skin tone. So instead of the patchy result, your skin starts to look more balanced. It also helps to improve the overall texture of your skin. So this is a good ingredient to be in a product that is going to help to treat your skin. There is also vitamin C. This helps to boost radiance and give your skin that glow while you are still treating those dark areas. So your skin doesn't just fade, it looks more even and healthier. And then you have moisturizing ingredients like glycerin, which is what makes it so moisturized. This helps the skin to stay hydrated, very, very important, soft and smooth. So you are not just drying out your skin while trying to fix the pigmentation. Now, let me give you some real life situation where this product makes sense to me and to you. For example, you're wearing slippers or a sandal and your knuckles are darker than your leg. That contrast is very obvious. Everyone can see it. You took a picture and your hands look so dark than the rest of your body. That mismatch shows clearly. Or your elbow looks so rough, dry, and darker than the rest of your arm. Even your knees. Some people avoid wearing shorts because of this hyperpigmentation. These are the kind of situation this product is designed for. Now, quickly, if you are getting value from this, make sure to like this video and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment. I focus on products that actually work, not just trend or hype. Now, let's talk about how to use this product properly to get a better result. Apply a small amount. Don't use like I do. I use too much. Apply a small amount on the affected area, your knuckles, your knees, your elbow, your neck. Massage it properly until it absorbs, and use it consistently. Not today, yes, tomorrow, no. Consistency is what gives good results. And very important, follow up with SPF. I am begging, especially if those areas are exposed. Because once you start the treatment, especially when you are treating pigmentation, sun exposure can make you worse again. So don't skip that step for no matter reason. Let's talk about results and expectations while using this amazing product. This is not an overnight magic. But with consistent use, you will start to notice gradual changes. Those dark areas will begin to fade. Your skin will look more even and more healthier. Those rough areas will become more smoother to even touch and to see. And overall, your skin will look brighter and healthier. Now, let's talk about the reviews and feedback. Oh my God, I have got a lot of reviews and feedback from this product. A lot of people that have used this product have always said the same thing. They have tried different knuckle creams, different knuckle this, even scrubs and oil, but those stubborn areas refuse to budge. But once they start using this amazing, beautiful product, this is a targeted product, they begin to see the result. Because this is not general skincare. This is a focused treatment specifically made for those areas. So instead of guessing, oh, what do I use or whatever, you use this because you are using a product that is designed exactly for that problem. Let's pause a little. If you are into fashion, please check out my ready-to-wear brand, Luxe By FB, on Instagram and on TikTok. The information is going to be in the caption. I will insert a video of one of the clothes that we have in stock. We offer both retail and wholesale services. Now let's round this up. Let's finish this review. So if your knuckles, knees and elbow are darker than the rest of your skin and this is something that is bothering you, then try this amazing cream. Use it consistently. Follow up with SPF and you will start to see your skin looking even brighter and smoother. Lumine Lightening Dark Knuckle Cream Gel is available if you are interested, and if you want the original, you can shop directly on our website or you can send us a message on WhatsApp. Both links will be in our description. And before you go, make sure to like this video, share this video, subscribe and leave a comment. And don't miss more honest skincare reviews like this. I'll see you in my next video.